The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description. Top 5 Best Cordless Palm Router. Number 5. Bosch GKF 125 CPK. This combo kit is a great choice for beginners just starting out, or experienced woodworkers who want to expand their router capabilities. It includes a 1.25 horsepower Bosch router, as well as a plunge router base, which features the two-handed control needed for surface detailing. This kit also comes with an 8-piece template set, which should come in handy for the most common dovetail and hinge sizes. These templates and the router itself each come with hard carrying cases, making it easy to keep all the pieces organized and safe when not in use. Pros: storage cases for all pieces. Plunge base. Includes a lot of options. Cons: may be overkill for occasional users. Coming in number 4. Makita RT0701C. I always appreciated the rugged and durable construction of Makita tools while working on commercial construction projects, which made this router an easy choice for our heavy-duty option. Not only is it durable enough to stand up to the abuse of a busy job site, but thanks to its wide speed range, this router is also ideal for using large diameter bits. I also appreciate its soft start circuitry that slowly ramps up to the desired speed, increasing motor lifespan and reducing vibrations. You can also get this one as part of a kit that converts this tool into a plunge router. Pros: durable construction. Great for large diameter bits. Soft start feature. Coming in number 3. DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless Palm Router. This battery-powered DeWalt palm router eliminates the need for frustrating and cumbersome extension cords, making for a convenient and tripping hazard-free working environment. The electronic brake increases safety even more, quickly stopping the motor as soon as the unit is shut off. A variable speed dial lets you control the RPM output to suit your specific task, and 2 LEDs help illuminate your work surface. Keep in mind that this model does not include a battery, so we'd suggest this model for those who already have or plan on getting other DeWalt 20V tools and batteries. Pros: no extension cord needed. 2 LEDs. Cons: does not include battery. Coming in number 2. Bosch PR20 EVs. Despite the low cost of this Bosch router, it's still a perfectly functional option for any DIYer. Its 1 horsepower motor and variable speed control makes it useful for a range of tasks, from light-duty laminates to softwood rabbeting. My favorite feature of this router is its lightweight. At a little over 3 pounds, this compact tool offers total maneuverability and control essential for any routing project. You'll need to use a wrench to swap out bits, no quick change here, but if you don't plan on doing that very often, this won't affect you too much. Pros: very lightweight. Sturdy aluminum base. Angled cord stays out of the way. Cons: requires wrench to change bits. Coming in number 1. Bosch GKF 125 CK. Bosch power tools have a great reputation for being reliable and easy to use, and this variable speed palm router is no exception. You can easily adjust the speed using the top-mounted speed dial from 16,000 to 35,000 RPMs and precisely customize the bit depth with a height adjustment mechanism. An LED light increases accuracy as you work, and the included straight edge guide allows you to confidently position the bit up to 3 5/8 inches from the edge of your workpiece. The hard-sided carrying case keeps your tool protected and convenient to transport whenever you need to. Pros: hard carrying case. LED work lights. Includes edge guide. Cons: